Today in the shop, we're going to be looking at a 2014 F150 that cranks but won't start. I'm going to start off by pulling codes on this truck. In the PCM, we have a couple of misfire codes. And in the body control module, we have a P0230 fuel pump primary circuit. The next thing I'm going to check is fuse 27 in the battery junction box. And as you can see here, one side of the fuse is completely melted. This actually was kind of a common problem on 2009 to 2014 F150s, to the point that Ford eventually came out with a TSB and a repair kit to eliminate this problem. The kit comes with instructions, a new terminal, and a larger fuse. Larger physically, not amperage. The terminal and the fuse are installed in the battery junction box, and then there's a sticker that's placed on the cover. The new position for the fuel pump fuse is fuse 70 in the battery junction box. If you found this helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons, and as always, have a great week.